Does your GMC truck sound like a bucket of bolts every time you hit a bump? That annoying plastic-on-plastic vibration usually comes from one specific spot where the dashboard meets the windshield. The gap between the dash panel and the glass expands and contracts with temperature changes. Over time, the factory friction tape wears out, leaving loose plastic panels to rub against the glass and structural supports. You do not need to tear apart the entire interior or pay a dealership for an expensive diagnostic fee. The solution is incredibly simple and costs less than a dime to fix permanently. Go to your local hardware store and grab a roll of high-density weather-stripping foam. You want the type with adhesive backing on one side, preferably in a dark charcoal or black color, to blend in completely. Cut a 5-inch length of the foam strip and carefully peel back the adhesive cover. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry up the front edge of the dashboard near the center speaker grill. Slide the foam strip deeply into the gap, pushing it down until it is completely out of sight. The foam compresses to fill the void, creating a tight cushion that absorbs all vibrations. Release the plastic trim panel and firmly press down along the edge to seat everything back into place. Start the engine and take a test drive over a rough road to hear the difference. The dense foam stops the plastic panels from making contact with the glass and frame. Your cabin will instantly return to a silent, factory-smooth ride without any annoying dashboard chatter.